kayu manis.
Okay, where are we from?
Kayu manis.
Kayu manis?
Yes. I am manis. I am sweet.
Ah, okay.
Don't do that. You're so lucky to have me as your wife, right, honey?
Yeah.
Oke, kita mau bikin apple pie. Jadi kita mau bikin dua apple pie yang akan saya bagi sama teman-teman kerja dan juga untuk kita konsumsi sendiri. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
We will making 2 apple pie, one for my coworker, and then one for us.
Yep,
Okay? So, the ingredients, bahan-bahannya cuman Apple Honeycrisp. Nanti suami saya bantu untuk ngupasin. Brown sugar, terus Meizena, sama cinnamon, bubuk kayu manis. We have knife. Butternya dicairin dulu di microwave.
You have butter right there.
Yeah, but that's I don't know. Okay. So why are you so quiet?
I don't pay attention to what I'm doing. So I don't cut my fingers.
Oh, Raisin. Sorry,
You
I
gotta soak
forgot.
them too, right?
Yes. Put in hot water.
Yeah.
Put all right. Pakai kismis, nggak pakai kismis juga nggak apa-apa. Kita rendam air panas. Aku pakai yang golden raisin atau yang kismis golden emas. Lalu pie crustnya kita tusuk-tusuk pakai garpu. Are you okay? Oke. Ini kita sisihkan dulu. I think I need to move that, honey, because can we switch, honey? Okay. Kita potong. Kita harus menghargai apapun kalau dibantu suami ya. Jangan mengeluh. Kalau hasilnya nggak terlalu bagus, nggak apa-apa, dipuji saja. Thank you, honey. This is very nice. You really good job. You do good. You do great job. You want me to cut like cube, honey, or just
Slices? Yeah, slices is fine. Or like slice and then cut it in half. Maybe.
okay?
But usually when I cut out that centerpiece too.
This one?
Yeah, this.
Oh yeah, I did.
Okay.
It's already gone. Like this or like this?
No, like, well, whatever. I guess it cook quicker if you
Yes.
made them smaller. Yeah.
I think apple season right this time of year.
Oh yeah. Yep. I know the local apple orchard has Honeycrisp now.
Oh, they sell Honeycrisp there?
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
yeah. Yeah, we bought that
it
last
says
week.
New York grown.
Karena kan lagi musim ya. Lagi musim panen apel. Cherry, do you think season honey this time of year?
No, that's usually in the
January, winter.
Oh, no. No, that's in like early summer.
Early summer?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought. Oh, I don't think so because
Yeah, remember when the
they
cherries
blossom
came?
on spring.
Yeah, but don't you remember when
Oh
we were
yeah.
getting them in the stores? Maybe
Yeah, that's
July, August, something like that.
Yeah, summer.
Yeah.
Ya. Jadi ini
Used to
apelnya.
be the spring.
Oh. Jadi ini apelnya dari dalam negeri. Ini
Say what?
like this. It's come from New York like that. Oh, okay. Ini didatanginnya buah apelnya didatanginnya dari New York.
Cherries are from California or
Washington
State. You need to say Washington State because
Yeah.
people used to say Washington, they're thinking of where the president is. But
Yeah. Washington State, not Washington DC.
Yeah.
Butter. Butternya itu 1 cup atau 2 stick. And brown sugar.
Is that for 2 pies or 1?
For 2.
Half cup per.
What else? Meizena or
What's that?
Meizena or cornstarch.
Corn. Maize sounds like corn.
Cornstarch. Cornstarch.
That's what makes it thick.
Yes. Digabungin semuanya. Masukin cinnamon powder, bubuk kayu manis.
Okay. Where are we from?
Kayu manis.
Kayu manis?
Yes. I am manis. I am sweet.
Ah, okay.
Don't do that. Emang kami suka begitu. You also like to have me as your wife, right, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, bubuk kayu manis.
Make your friend laugh.
Okay, and then can you put it here, honey, without.
You need a strainer, a screen. You got one somewhere?
Yes, we have this. How you dump? Maybe just dump on the sink, in the sink first.
Because the apples are a little bit tart.
Okay. No. And now put. Do you think put all, honey?
That's a lot, but look for 2 pies maybe. Yeah.
Okay. But good though.
Yeah. They should have soaked a lot longer though. Because you want to get them real big.
Oh, they will in the oven. Masukin kismisnya. Oh wow, this is sounds so good. Looks like, seems like so good, right, honey? Sounds good or looks so good?
Looks so good.
Looks so good.
Not sounds good.
Sounds good. That's mean what you hear.
Yeah.
And now apple.
Yeah, not much.
I know, but
Yeah, because my father used to eat, when he'd eat an apple, he'd eat the whole apple, and he would eat the whole core and everything too.
Really?
So, yeah.
Oh. Is it good, honey, like this? Sounds not really good, right, honey?
It's too thick.
Too thick, right?
There's too many apples.
Maybe just put more. Yes. Tambahin 1 lagi, 1 stick, 1 batang butter.
Is that enough?
Iya. Oke, sekarang kita mau tuangin ke apple crust. Pie crust, I mean. Sorry. So we can do this.
Heat on to 425.
425,
Yeah.
and then
Place 1 pie crust in an ungreased 9-inch glass plate, which you did.
okay, like that, like pioneer woman. Another one, I don't really like to do this, because sometimes not success. Okay, so do like, you can come here, honey. I love baking, but what do you think that I don't like?
Peanut.
Peanut. What's this? Chewy, gum.
Here. Yeah, like that. Like basically like stab the knife in.
Yeah, step enough. Yeah.
Yeah. That's
So
good. That's good enough.
Okay. But my apple pie not nice, honey. Not look pretty.
I don't imagine they care what it looks like, as long as it tastes
Yeah,
good.
tastes good, right? Kata suamiku nggak masalah bentuknya seperti
That's
apa,
good.
yang
That's good.
penting
More than enough.
rasanya mantap. Okay, now aluminum foil.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, you don't put that on until about after 15 or 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Then you just put it on the crust so the crust doesn't burn.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Lots of blue jeans. Yeah. Right, Smith?
If you really loved him, you would accept your death and let him go.
Oh,
Okay, try.
I got a fork.
Okay.
This was a-
It need more another an hour to
Cool
cool off. Yeah, that's why like cannot
It's
cut
too
right.
crumbly,
Yeah, too crumbly. Is it good?
Let me get another piece of it here.
Honest?
Good. Yeah.
Good. Enak. Apelnya lembut. Sebenarnya harus nunggu 1 jam lagi, cuman udah mau malam, jadi kita makan. Ini masih agak panas dan juga tekstur pie-nya itu nggak terlalu padat karena masih agak panas kan. Jadi setelah 1 jam, kalau kita tunggu sejam lagi, lebih firm, lebih padat gitu. Jadi bentuknya juga lebih bagus kalau dipotong. Tapi nggak apa-apa, cuman rasanya ini enak. Good, honey. Enak. Oke deh.